Placing an options trade on TradeStation involves a few straightforward steps. Here's a step-by-step guide. Log into TradeStation. Open platform. Launch the TradeStation desktop platform, web version or mobile app and log in with your credentials. Select the underlying asset. Search for asset. Use the search bar or symbol lookup to find the stock or asset for which you want to trade options. Access the options chain, desktop or web. Navigate to the options tab or options chain section. This will display available options contracts for the selected asset. Mobile app. Tap on the asset, then select options to view the available contracts. Choose an options contract. Select contract. Review the available options contracts based on expiration date and strike price. Click on the contract that fits your trading strategy. Enter trade details. Action. Choose whether to buy or sell the option. Quantity. Specify the number of contracts you want to trade. Order type. Select the order type. Price and duration. Enter the limit price and select the order duration. Review and place the order. Confirm details. Double check all trade details including action, quantity, price and order type. Submit order. Click submit or send order to execute the trade. Monitor and manage. Track order. Use the orders tab to monitor the status of your options trade and make adjustments as needed.